Stop. If you want to learn English with funny stories and easy to remember tricks, you will love this video. So stay here.
On a quiet autumn evening, the city lights shone like stars that fell from the sky. The busy streets never stopped, and cars moved without pause, as if something kept the city awake forever. In the middle of all this, Adam, a 16-year-old boy, was walking home after a long day at school. He carried his backpack and wore his headphones. He loved listening to music because it helped him forget the noise around him. But tonight, something was different. As he walked on his usual street, he saw an old building that had never been there before. It was strange. No signs, dusty windows, and faint blue light inside. Adam stopped.
Impossible! I walk here every day. I never saw this place.
He walked closer, carefully. The big wooden door was half open. Inside, he heard music from an old player. His curiosity won, and he stepped inside. The room was full of dust, and it looked like time had stopped here for many years. On the walls, there were black and white photos of people he didn't know. But the strangest thing was a huge mirror at the end of the room. Its golden frame shone, even with the dust. Adam went closer and looked into the mirror. But his reflection was smiling at him while he wasn't. Adam, he stepped back, his heart racing.
What is this? Am I dreaming?
The reflection kept smiling and raised its hand, signaling him to come closer. Adam couldn't resist. He moved slowly, almost touching the mirror. Suddenly, his fingers sank into the glass. He screamed, but no one could hear him. In one moment, his whole body was pulled into the mirror. When he opened his eyes, he was in the same city, but different. It was quiet. No cars, no people. The lights didn't move, and the sky was dark. Shadows moved on their own in every corner. A voice said behind him,
"Welcome to the city that never sleeps, Adam."
He turned quickly and saw a girl about his age. She had long black hair, a gray coat, and glowing blue eyes. He asked nervously,
Where am I? What happened?
She smiled and said softly,
You are in the other side of your city. Here live those who never sleep, who were never forgotten.
Adam was more confused.
I'm alive! How did I get here?
She stepped closer.
Everyone who sees the mirror is tested. If you don't find your way before sunrise, you stay here forever.
He felt a strange coldness in his body. A shadow slowly approached. It looked like him. She shouted,
Run! Don't let your shadow touch you or you'll never return.
Adam ran through the empty streets. The shadows followed from every direction. Every building looked the same, and time did not move. He didn't know if this was a dream or a real place no one had discovered. After running for what felt like hours, Adam stopped to catch his breath. The girl waited for him at a dark corner.
Will you help me? I don't know how to get out.
Adam said. She smiled.
My name is Layla. I also lived here for some time. I learned how to avoid the shadows. Everything here tests people who go through the mirror.
Adam asked.
But why me? I'm just an ordinary boy.
She said.
No one here is ordinary. Every person who sees the mirror has a mission. If they fail, the city becomes part of them. Shadows are not just shadows. They are your fears, doubts, and everything you didn't face in life.
The big shadow appeared behind them. It was huge, like black smoke curling in the streets.
Run! Don't stop!
They ran through the dark streets. Every step felt like a step through time. The city changed around them. Buildings became strange, and the sky was magical, with blue and purple colors and lines of light. Adam felt something in his chest, like his heart was the key to this city.
Layla, look! There is a bright window far away. I feel it is the way out.
She smiled.
Yes, but the shadow knows where you are. You must face it yourself. Don't run.
Adam stopped. The shadow came closer. Inside, he saw his old fears. Failure, loneliness, every time he felt weak. Then he remembered his father's words.
Courage is not the absence of fear, but facing what scares you.
He took a deep breath and raised his hand to the shadow. Suddenly, the shadow stopped, then slowly disappeared like morning fog. Lila said, amazed.
I have never seen anyone face it like that. You are different, Adam.
Adam smiled, tired.
Just didn't want to lose myself here.
They walked to the bright window. Another mirror waited there, shining like crystal, promising freedom.
Enter. This is your way out. But remember, everyone who returns carries a little part of this city in their heart and never forgets it.
Adam took a deep breath, touched the mirror, and went into the bright light. Adam woke up suddenly to his alarm clock. Morning sunlight came through his window. Everything looked normal. Streets, cars, people.
It was a dream, right?
But on his desk, there was a small piece of glass, shining the same blue as the mirror in the strange city.
So it was real.
Days passed, and Adam returned to normal life at school and home. But he felt different inside. The city that never sleeps had left a mark: courage, awareness of his fears, and responsibility. One day, he saw Layla in the real world. She walked in the city park, looking normal, but her eyes glowed blue.
Bet you survived, Adam. But remember, everyone who sees the mirror changes forever. Don't forget what you learned here.
Adam felt nostalgia, but also calm. He realized the strange city was not just scary. It tested his courage and faith in himself. From that day, Adam became stronger, braver, and ready to face his fears in real life. And the memories of the city that never sleeps always followed him like a gentle shadow, reminding him, true courage is facing the unknown. And every evening, when the sun sets, Adam smiles, knowing there is always a mysterious world waiting for those who are brave enough to explore it.